All right.
Hello, I'm Steve Shelton, Executive Director of Louisiana Clean Tech Network, and today we're on in New Orleans at Delgado's campus of Jefferson Parish, Louisiana Technical College, and we're conducting a solar hot water training session today. In the other room, we have the Department of Energy solar hot water trainer, Chuck Markin, with our installation crews, and they're doing solar installation for hot water systems on the roof. And what we're going to do today is talk a little bit about the solar hot water and PV business in New Orleans and how the Solar American City program is really helping in the market transformation in the city and the surrounding region.
Great. Stephen, tell us a little bit about the folks you're training over there and what these types of training classes enable these people to do and why they're important for the South.
Well, today's our first solar hot water training program. It comes on the heels of the PV training that we've been doing for the last year and a half in different campuses around Louisiana. And we actually have 4 or 5 professional plumbers and 2 or 3 solar energy companies that will be hiring these plumbers, and we actually have some other entrepreneurs that are interested in the solar energy business as well. And what they're learning today is actually the process of putting in solar hot water collectors and solar hot water systems so that they can go out in the market and start marketing to consumers. And what we really like about the solar hot water industry is that it's more affordable for the normal man, where anywhere from $5,000 to $8,000 you can get a hot water system, and if you have an all-electric home you can get to 2 or 3 year payback in this climate. And it's really going to be the beginning of the market transformation of solar energy at the lower end. You know, we've been doing a lot of PV training. We have maybe 30 companies now in Louisiana doing solar energy in the PV arena, but they're high dollar systems. PV is anywhere from $20,000 to $40,000 normally, and only the upper level income can afford those types of systems, even with the tax credits that we have. So we really feel like solar hot water systems, given our 50% tax credit, will allow just the lower income as well as the middle income families to take advantage of solar energy. So these types of training programs are really important for the growth of green jobs. We think that this first training class is going to lead to another training class within a couple of months, where maybe by the end of a year and a half, like in the PV business, we'll have another 20 or 30 solar companies that are concentrating on solar hot water, 20 or 30 solar companies that are doing both PV and hot water, and hopefully we're looking for, within 5 years, we're looking for at least 1,000 jobs in the solar industry within the state of Louisiana.
And with the Solar American City program and the trainer programs and these types of programs, how do you see those things helping further the solar industry and maybe kickstart it a little bit?
Well, it's been tremendous. The Solar American City program for New Orleans has just been a huge success, specifically in workforce development. We started a year and a half with the first PV class, and we've now done maybe 20 PV classes in 2 cities. We've trained over 140 installers and businessmen in New Orleans, and over 270 in the whole state of Louisiana. And we've seen the training really help the industry grow. So we believe that the solar hot water training is going to do the same thing. And we had going from maybe 2 installations per year for PV, we had over 150 installations that we know of that were installed last year throughout the state, and most of those in the city of New Orleans. So I believe the Solar American City's market transformation program has really been a great success for not only the city of New Orleans, but the state of Louisiana as well.